Jackson, what if a client says he found a connector to replace our Conrad automotive connector and it is 20% cheaper than our cost? Would you like to give up?
What? 20% below our cost and the car grades performance?
Yeah.
No way. Our connectors use premium materials with high stability, mechanical strength, and chemical resistance. Plus, for automotive and industrial shock or vibration environments, we've got TPA and ISL tag for moisture retention force. With certifications like the UL 214, the US Car 2.
True or not? What would you do?
Actually, I won't give up.
Will that really work?
Yes, just have tried.
Oh, great. I will go to factory and pay the deposit at 6 p.m.
Jackson, it worked.
Yes, I told you. So now you know how to do?
Sorry, I will close at 5 p.m.